Hi guys, I've got another earring mold to test out. So this one is quite a pretty pattern. Now, because it's quite transparent, I'm going to use UV resin because it's going to be quicker this time for the video. But if you wanted more durable earrings, I would definitely go the epoxy resin way. But I have mixed up some clear UV resin, and to that I have added this ultrafine blue glitter. I'm just going to try and carefully fill up this mold. Okay, I'm going to clean up these edges a bit. It really doesn't matter about these filled in bits here because I'll just pop straight out. But before I do cure this under the UV lamp, which I'm going to do about 2 minutes each side, I'm just going to pick it up from the bottom and just check to see that there's no air bubbles. Just lift it up carefully above your head just to see there's no air bubbles. And I'll be back. Okay, so they've had 2 minutes each side onto the UV lamp. And you can see that I just need to chip those little bits off there. So I'm just going to clean those little edges off and put a hook on, and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys, a finished product. And haven't they turned out super sparkly, super nice? Now I've just added a jump ring there and a hook, and they're ready to wear. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.